A prayer for a spouse is not a prayer for someone who has yet to come, but a prayer for myself right now. Those who are single worry in advance about someone they haven't met yet, and parents looking at their children worry about their children's future on their behalf. That's why prayers naturally become filled with conditions and anxieties. However, God does not let us possess the future in advance. Prayer is not a means to secure some warm outcome, but a place where I entrust myself to God's way. A prayer for a spouse should not only be a prayer to prepare for marriage, but also a prayer to prepare your own being. I hope those who are single will pray like this. God, please let me first see whether I am someone who can take responsibility for another person's life. And if you are parents with unmarried children, I hope you will pray like this. God, I entrust my child's life into your hands, not mine. This is a sincere prayer of deep faith.